Let's talk about text. So first we want to demonstrate the difference, the main difference between string and text. So we can see that we have two strings over here, one with the string A and one with the string A with two spaces around it. And we can see that we have two text around here, again A and A with double spaces against it. And we assign S1 with A and S2 with A space space. Now here we have an if statement checking if S1 is equals to S2, strings are equal, otherwise strings are not equal. And if T1 is equal to T2, texts are equal and texts are not equal. Great. Let's go ahead and run this. So here we are. And we can see first of all that when we start, both S1 and T1 are null because we haven't yet set their values. Perfect. Now S1 is A and S2 is A space space. So if I press F10, we'll go to the else. Strings are not equal. And that is also what we'll see written in our output window. Let's put it here. Okay. Strings are not equal, but texts, oh, sorry, clicked on the wrong thing, but texts are equal. So this is the main difference between text and string. There are other memory consumption concerns that text is more efficient than string in some cases, but this is the gist of what you need to know. Now let's talk about cool things that text have. So text, for example, have a length property, so I can note length. It has a trim and trim end, trim start, and many useful little functions over here. My favorite is toString, where I can give it a format. For example, I can say, let's make it look like a phone number. And A will get formatted like a phone number. I can then assign to a phone number. Probably forgot a digit or something. And if I run this code again, it will get formatted as a nice little phone number. Now, if you want to know more about the abilities and properties of text, I strongly recommend that you start visiting our website, Firefly Migration Reference. In it, I can open the Firefly box namespace, find the text class, see some information about the text, and then I can go and look at its members, and I can see the different methods that it has, like remove, replace, reverse, write, substring, to lower, to upper, and different properties, empty, item, length, etc. One more thing I want to show you, a very useful method is text.isNull or empty, which checks if a string is empty, but if it has anything in it, it will return false, but it will also gracefully handle null. So because checking if something is null or empty is quite commonly done in .NET, there's a special method for that in text and also in string and in other types.